have pockets, 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 pockets.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Okay, y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all know what it is, and I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, even though this is like an unboxing, I have already taken a sneak peek, did an official unveiling in a vlog that I'm currently editing, so y'all will see this process again, but this will be simply a how to style video because this is round 4 with this style of bag. And so she was a, let's see here, how can I do this without showing off my address? Now, let me see how I can do this without showing off my address. So she was a Poshmark find, y'all, a reseller. I told myself I didn't want this bag at first, but because I had so much fun with her sister, I was just like, I'm just gonna go ahead and add it to my collection. And since it's been sold out at the outlet and at the boutique, and nobody else seems to have had it in stock, I said, let me go to a reseller, but I was definitely not paying full price. And if I was getting it from a reseller, it was going to have to be new with tags, and the photo would have to strongly suggest that it had not been used. So here she is. She was nicely wrapped with lovely thank you notes and thank you stickers. And so here is the strap. As if, like I said, y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all know what it is. And so the crossbody strap suggests that the crossbody strap had not been used because it still has some of the factory wrapping on it. And it is an ombre strap, which can only mean one thing, y'all. Which can only mean one thing. And so let me see how I can do this and give y'all the full unveiling experience. Again, here is the thank you card. Very much appreciated. And so she came wrapped in paper, y'all. And we have another Pillow Tabby 26, y'all, in the color Aqua Ombre. And so she was listed as new with tags, and she came as listed, tags attached. Y'all, my pet peeve with Poshmark, sometimes, I've never purchased from Macari, but Poshmark and eBay is people will try to sell something as new with tags, and it's just like the tag has clearly been detached from the item. Just because you put the tag in a photo does not mean the item is new with tags. Like, I keep all the tags for all of my bags, y'all. I keep them and the care cards in my bags, but listen, okay, my conscience would never allow me to resell any of the bags you see here or any of the bags I have in my closet currently as new with tags, just for the simple fact that I still have the tag for the bag. So I was like, if I'm going to get it from a reseller, the tag had to clearly be still attached in the photo. This bag still has stuffing in it, even though this short shoulder strap does not have factory wrapping. The inside of the bag has the dust bag, all of the silica packets, and all of the stuffing, which to me suggests either this person was just really good at packaging the bag, or the person simply changed their mind or just bought the bag for the sake of reselling, because the Coach story tag still has like you guys can see, still has factory wrapping in it. Yeah, so either this person purchased this bag simply to resell her, or they unwrapping, they just changed their mind, or maybe they're a YouTuber who wanted to make content and did an unboxing and decided to sell it afterwards. So let me just do a quick inspection on the interior. So the interior is like the aqua color. The zipper still has factory wrapping on it. All the hardware is silver. Here is our care card. And so the interior is the aqua napa leather. And then we have our ombre effect. And so there you have it. Hey y'all, and so we have the ombre, and so this little piece right here is still on the hang tag. It's giving me reassurance that she hasn't been used. Either this person either changed their mind or purchased it for the sake of reselling. So we have our lovely shades of blue, our greens, our yellows. She's just perfection in our pillowy C with the silver hardware, y'all. So what I want to do really quickly is I have a silver bag chain I want to try with this bag, and then we're going to jump right into styling this little beauty. So if you are interested in seeing how I plan to style her and seeing how she looks with a little accessory or two, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so this bag chain is the silver version, or was supposed to be the silver version of a gold bag chain that I use on my Petunia pillow Tabby 26. But when this chain arrived, even though it was described as silver, it is very much a gunmetal pewter. So I don't know if they sent me the wrong color or what, but I was going to try to use it for this little number and then for this number, but the hardware does not match. I honestly think they sent me the wrong color, y'all. So I need to contact Amazon and possibly do a return or an exchange because I want the chain. So we're just going to test it out really quickly. Yes, I definitely need the silver chain that I ordered. I think they sent me the black one by mistake. So this is what the bag would look like with a bag chain. It would look a lot better if the bag chain was silver like I ordered. And so while we're here, so you guys can see, so we have two ombre tabbies here. This is the pale pistachio in the 18 size. This is the aqua ombre in the 26 size. As you can see, so let's see here. So this is pale pistachio. I don't know what color they named this side. I know the interior is like the aqua color, and so it's not quite the same, but it's very similar. This bag came out of here. It's fairly similar. And so there you have that. So all right y'all, so enough of my rambling, let's play in my closet. Okay y'all, so this is look number one. It's funny because this look came to mind, y'all, immediately after I posted the how to style the ombre 18 size tabby, y'all. I was like, oh wait, I have a white tulle skirt that would have been cute with that. However, in a recent vlog, y'all, I put this outfit together with this little tabby and I was not impressed. I was like, I like the concept, but the tabby needs to be bigger. And so just in time, y'all, here we are, and this is perfection, y'all. So we have this long sleeve denim button-up shirt from Old Navy. The distressing is white. It is perfect with this white tulle skirt from Shein, which is basically just like 2 layers of tulle with a white, and I just recently realized, yet very sheer, very see-through underlay, so I would have to wear this skirt with biker shorts. The elastic band is like silver, like that Lorex material, very sparkly, and we have it paired with our Aqua Ombre tabby, and we would pair it with these silver booties, y'all, because the Aqua tabby has the silver detailing and silver here. And please, by all means, ignore this hat, y'all. My head is a mess underneath and it's late, and at this point I don't care. Let me see, am I missing any other accessories? This belt, I used it in the Tabby 18 video, but I wouldn't put a belt on this skirt because I like the silver shimmery detail that is on the skirt. So this is option number 1. I currently only have on one booty. And let me fix the camera so y'all can see the whole look. That's all right, y'all. Y'all probably can't see the full visual. I feel like I'm going to let this be my Mother's Day outfit for Sunday. So yes, so this is very cute. Again, like I said, ignore the hat, but this is an option, y'all. This is an option. So yes, actually, you know what, y'all, let me do something with my head so it's not throwing the look off. Give me 1 minute. Okay, y'all, so I've taken off the hat, so that makes it a little better. But yeah, so I have on the silver booties, and then our Aqua Ombre tabby. And so I still feel like you can't see the full fit, but I definitely recommend you stay tuned to my channel for when I post my vlogs, because you'll be able to see this look pulled all the way together, complete with actual accessories and the full styling elements. So yeah, so this is look number 1. Yes, y'all, the look is complete now. So let's move on to look number 2, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm not even getting ready to play in y'all faces with any fall winter looks, because for what? It's the middle of May. So this is a bodycon dress that I got from the Blue Bag Boutique, as it is affectionately known on YouTube. This was a rainbow find. I have this dress in basically every color, and it feels like every summer they come out with more colors, and I just grabbed those 2 because I live in dresses in the summer if I have anything to do with it. And so yes, we have another matchy production here, and so this bag and this shade of blue match perfectly, and so I can carry her this way. I can carry her as a crossbody, but sis don't go out with her arms out. Just know, okay, just know. So we have this lovely, also from the Blue Bag Boutique, kimono that I purchased last summer, under $10, y'all. So we have this lovely kimono. I have on shorts underneath this dress, y'all, literally like loungewear shorts. And so we have this lovely kimono. I've actually worn this in a reel, one of the reels I posted last summer. So We have this lovely kimono and our Aqua Ombre tabby. Yes, y'all. Yes. Okay, let me stop rambling, y'all, because space is limited. Okay, y'all, so that's enough of this one. My camera is cutting up, y'all. So this look, blue bag boutique with our Aqua Ombre tabby, cannot go wrong. Let's move on to the next look, y'all, shall we? Okay, y'all, so as I was preparing for this video, I realized this might be the first video I'm making my How to Style series that does not include a graphic tee, y'all. I don't have a graphic tee to match this bag, y'all. So what I've done is I have put my auntie denim skirt over top of the blue bag boutique body contrast I just showed you guys to give you guys a very chic summertime look. Picture it with like layered silver necklaces and maybe some bangles, some cute little white sneakers or sandals, and our Aqua Ombre pillow tabby here. Nice little pop of color right there, or you can flip the bag strap to carry the blue in the front. So my camera is cutting up, y'all, so let me know, wrap it up, B, wrap it up. So this is it with the blue strap in the front, y'all. This is perfect for running errands on a lovely summer day. Again, my little auntie denim skirt, cute little baseball hat, you know, very chill, regular. Let's move on to the next look, y'all, before my camera is like, that's enough, we can't take any more. Okay, y'all, so last look is a Walmart find, either last summer or summer before last. It's by the Time and True collection. I have it also in this wonderful shade of blue. Tag still attached, y'all, has not been worn yet. That's why the purpose of these videos is what's in my closet that I can style with the bag. And so this lovely hint of lime bag goes perfectly with our Aqua Ombre tabby 26. I have thrown back on the hat that I was wearing when we started. It is tie-dye. Child, get your balance together. And so there you have it. Last summer I have these dresses in several colors. I would pair them either with white sneakers or like some little cute little slip-in sandals. And I wore this one with my silver tabby 18. But this is perfect, y'all. Perfection. And again, it would be sheer perfection with this blue dress as well. Yes, every look in this video was very much matchy-matchy, but again, the goal was to not shop and to just shop my own closet and see what looks I can come up with. So there you have it, y'all, before my camera rudely cuts me off again. Oh, y'all, wait, you know what? I forgot to mention, so the dress is belted, tie waist, and listen, y'all, it has pockets. They are midi length with slits on either side, and they have pockets, 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 pockets. They have pockets. All right, y'all, let me stop playing. So again, before my camera really cuts me off, let me know what you think of this look in the comments below. And so that concludes today's styling video. Again, tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you currently own this pillow tabby or any of the pillow tabbies, 18 size or 26 size? Tell me what your experience has been like in the comments below. Let me know which look was your favorite look of the looks featured in this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below as well. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connect. If you know another bag loving girly, another fashion loving girly, another girly who would love all things faith and fashion that are featured on this channel, make sure you share this video with her so she can click that like button, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design, where faith and fashion connect. And you have a great week. Pockets, pockets. They have pockets, pockets.